How can you unlock your Android device when it can't recognize your fingerprint? Solution 1. Unlock fingerprint lock with other unlock options. Usually, you can use one of these alternative options to unlock your device when fingerprint recognition fails. Solution 2. Unlock fingerprint lock via MagFone Android Unlocker. If you have also forgotten your secondary unlock password, MagFone Android Unlocker can help you get out of the screen lock issue. Download it from the official website. Then simply connect your device to your PC and follow the on-screen instructions. With just a few clicks, you can bypass the screen lock on your Android phone and regain access to your device.